Welcome to Trimble Business Center version 5. Trimble Business Center version 5 is a new product that combines all the capabilities of the Geospatial Trimble Business Center, known as TBC, and the Civil Engineering and Construction Business Center, known as Business Center ACE, into a single solution that meets the needs of the geospatial, surveying, and civil construction markets. The product's been repackaged into a series of editions. You can start with the Viewer, which is an unlicensed version, and grow into the Field Data, the Surface Modeling, the Survey Intermediate, Survey Advanced, Site Modeling, Site Construction, or Infrastructure Construction. If you go to, let's say, Survey Advanced, you will get all the features in the previous edition. So you'll get all the features of Survey Intermediate, Surface Modeling, and Field Data. So if you're a surveyor that just does boundary topos or boundary mapping, you may benefit just by having the Survey Advanced Edition. If you're a contractor who does takeoffs and data prep for machine control, you might benefit from the Site Construction Edition. If you're a highway contractor and you're doing corridor mass haul analysis and intersection design, then the Infrastructure Construction Edition's the one that you want to have. In this KAP, we're going to focus on the Viewer or Unlicensed Edition. The Viewer will let you import industry file formats, work with project coordinate systems, create and modify your feature code library, and support the export to the site positioning products, the machine control products, Trimble Access, and the Trimble Survey controllers. So let's go ahead and get started.